Open your senses to the rich tapestry of melodies, rhythms, and harmonies that is the musical heritage of New Orleans, a city where music is the heartbeat, the lifeblood, the soul. A city that has gifted the world with jazz, rhythm, and blues, and a unique flavor of hip-hop. Welcome to the birthplace of legends like Louis Armstrong, Fats Domino, and Lil Wayne, and the home of music festivals that draw enthusiasts from around the globe. Our first stop on this sonic journey takes us to the iconic Preservation Hall. Established in the early 60s, this venue has been a beacon for traditional New Orleans jazz. Imagine the resonating sound of a trumpet piercing the humid New Orleans night. That's the magic of Preservation Hall. Next, let's step into the Saenger Theatre. A masterpiece of Italian Renaissance architecture, this venue has been enchanting audiences since the Roaring '20s. From vaudeville acts to operas to rock concerts, the Saenger has seen it all. No tour of New Orleans' music scene would be complete without a visit to Tipitina's. Founded in the late 70s as a clubhouse for the local band The Radiators, Tipitina's quickly became a cultural icon. It's here that Professor Longhair, the godfather of New Orleans rhythm and blues, gave some of his most memorable performances. Moving on, we find ourselves at the Maple Leaf Bar. A local favorite, this venue has been serving up live music since the mid-70s. On any given night, you might catch a funk band, a brass band, or a solo pianist tickling the ivories. Let's not forget the House of Blues. With its rustic interiors and southern charm, this venue offers a unique blend of music, food, and art. It's a place where you can sip a cocktail while enjoying performances by some of the biggest names in the music industry. From the grandeur of the Orpheum Theater to the intimate setting of the Three Muses, from the rocking beats of the Howlin' Wolf to the soulful tunes of the Spotted Cat Music Club, each venue in New Orleans tells a unique story. It's a story of resilience, of community, of a love for music that transcends boundaries. As we wrap up this tour, remember that these are just 15 of the many musical venues that dot the city of New Orleans. Each one offers a unique glimpse into the city's rich musical heritage. So, the next time you find yourself in the Big Easy, make it a point to explore these venues. Listen to the stories they have to tell. Let the music seep into your soul and become a part of the continuing legacy of New Orleans music. The city is waiting to play you its song.